Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add blog posts in Squarespace in 2026. So if you're trying to publish articles, share updates, or grow your website traffic, this step-by-step guide will make it really easy. First, log into Squarespace and open your website dashboard. From there, go to the Pages menu and click on your blog section. Next, click Create New Post. This opens the editor where you can build your blog content from scratch. Now add your title and start writing your post. Keep it simple, clear, and easy to read so your audience can follow along without confusion. Next, insert images or videos to make your blog more engaging. Just click the Insert button and upload your media files. Now set your categories and tags. This helps keep your blog organized and makes it easier for visitors to find related posts. Next, open the SEO settings. Add a strong title and a short description so your post can rank better on search engines like Google. Finally, click Save and Publish. Your blog post is now live and ready for visitors to read. And that's it. You've successfully added a blog post in Squarespace. Keep posting regularly and you'll grow your audience over time. Hey everyone,